Hello everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here with this spectacular home to show you today. Welcome to 43 Ashwood Drive in Purple Hill. Now, not only does this house have the space, size, and privacy any buyer would ask for, there's so many features to get through, so you're going to want to stick around and check out my top 5 reasons why this home is right for you. Reason number 5. Now, this has to be the best estate lot in the Orangeville area. Not only are you seconds from Highway 10 for commuting, but you feel like you're living in the country, right here in town. Up the long driveway through the towering hardwoods, the house is set well back from the road for the ultimate in privacy. Professionally landscaped, the grounds are stunning. Off the back of the house, overlooking the protected ravine, boasts a large flagstone patio, in-ground pool, and hot tub. Over in the sunny grassy area, we have a neat treehouse, private fire pit area, and great greenhouse for those of you with the green thumb. Other notable features are custom landscape lighting, triple car garage, and plenty of parking. Reason number 4. Now, the moment you enter the foyer, you'll immediately notice that this elegant home has a wow factor. Off the foyer, we enter the formal sunken living room with cherrywood floors, 12-foot tray ceilings, pot lights, and huge bay windows offering an abundance of natural light. Probably my favorite room. We also have a private library or office with custom built-in cabinetry. Probably my favorite library, actually. The focal point through the foyer is the massive formal dining room with seating for any large gathering. Sconce lighting, crown molding, double French doors, and a great view of the forest is the perfect backdrop for fine dining. It's got to be my favorite dining room. The large cozy family room is the perfect place to relax after a long day in front of the warm, airtight wood stove. Nope. This is my favorite room. The Eden kitchen boasts an abundance of cupboards and built-ins, sub-zero fridge, wolf gas range, stainless steel backsplash, and again, a great view of the forest. The breakfast area has a double-sided fireplace, which flows into my favorite room of the house, the sunroom. The super bright four-season sunroom walks out to the patio area and is a fantastic room for reading, relaxing, or having a beverage. Downstairs, we have an amazing rec room with plenty of space for entertaining, which walks up to the backyard. Watch your favorite movies, do some gaming in the entertainment area with custom built-in cabinetry, or play some games with friends. Now, we haven't gotten to the bedrooms, so let's check them out. Reason number 3, we have 2 bedrooms down here on the lower level and a great 3-piece bathroom with walk-in shower. The one opens up to the rec room, which could be a bedroom or additional living space. Upstairs, the 2 bright, elegant bedrooms are spacious and boast plenty of closet space and natural light. Then we have the master bedroom. It's an enormous size, has a cozy gas fireplace and Juliette balcony overlooking the pool area. The walk-in dressing room is the size of most normal bedrooms, and the bright 6-piece ensuite is also massive. Now, I'm a shower guy, but I'd be soaking a lot more in this tub, taking advantage of the stunning backyard view. Reason number 2, from the main floor, up these stairs, we enter the Loft Suite. It would serve as the ultimate teenager retreat, in-law suite, games area, or a great bedroom everyone would be fighting over. Plenty of space and light are combined with a wet bar and its own 4-piece bathroom. Now, this for sure is my favorite room in the house. And reason number 1. Now, we've seen most of the home, but there's many unique features that make this house stand out from the rest. Now, the coolest thing in this Loft Suite is the secret passage. Check this out. Through the secret door, through the neat little passage, we find ourselves into the upper bedrooms, right through the closets. I'm not a kid anymore, but even now, I think this is the coolest thing ever. And if you have furry friends, check out the custom dog bath in the laundry room. Fido approved. And if the power goes out, this gas Generac generator just switches on, keeps the whole house running. Top of the line water systems, efficient geothermal heating, plenty of storage, updated monitored lighting, and with over 7,000 square feet of finished living space, I could go on and on, but you're gonna have to come see for yourself. Well, thanks again for watching our video tour of this one-of-a-kind property. Check out floor plans, more pictures of all my favorite rooms, and information at www.43ashwood.com. You have to check out this amazing lot and property in person, so give the Grime team a call for your personal tour. Happy winter, see you soon.